Magandang araw mga kalaag. Awitan naman tayo ngayon guys. Para sa inyo to lahat guys, sa aking mga followers, mga kaibigan, mga silent viewers, lahat-lahat, mga OFW, yung mga nakatira na sa ibang bansa at lahat ng buong Pilipino. Magandang araw sa ating lahat, para sa atin tong lahat. Naawit na to. Sana guys, tapusin nyo hanggang dulo. Sabayan nyo ako guys. I saw the light in the night when I passed by her window. I saw the flickering shadows of love on her blind. She was my woman. As she deceived me, I watched without my mind. My Delilah. Why, Delilah? I could see that girl was no good for me, for I was lost like a slave that no one could free. At break of day, that when the drove away, I was waiting. I crossed the street to her house and I opened the door. She stood there laughing. I felt the knife in my hand. She laughed no more. My Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore. She stood there laughing. I felt the knife in my hand. She left no more. My Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just can't take anymore. Forgive me, Delilah, I just can't take anymore. Salamat. Salamat guys.